For this video, make sure that you have your notebook in front of you so you can copy down all of this into your notes. There's a lot of information on this, so I will make sure I go slowly so you can pause the video and get stuff copied down as you need to. Quadratic functions are often written in standard form. The word standard form should be in your notes already, but if not, make sure you get that down, because the standard form of a quadratic function is f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are integers and a does not equal 0. An example of that might be f of x equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 9, where a is 3, b is negative 2, and c is 9. Or f of x equals negative 16x squared, where a is negative 16, b is 0, and c is 0. If a quadratic function is written in standard form, then the values of a, b, and c can be used to determine some of the key features of the function. So here we have an example of a quadratic function graphed. The parent function, we call that f of x equals x squared. That's the original. It's where everything comes from. Everything else is a different version of that parent function. The standard form is f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. It is a parabola. That's a type of graph. The axis of symmetry, this is really important. To find the axis of symmetry when it's not on a graph and you're just looking at the equation, you want to go x equals negative b over 2a. Negative b over 2a. The y-intercept is always whatever c is. The y-intercept is always whatever c is. The end behavior, whenever a is greater than 0, right? So if this is the numbers 1 to infinity, as x increases, y increases, and as x decreases, y increases, right? Because that means that it's opening up. I was going to show you, but my pen's not working. So just trust me, it opens up. And whenever a is less than 0, as x increases, y decreases. As x decreases, y decreases. That's like this parabola that's up here. Increasing and decreasing. Increases on an open interval along the x-axis if the graph of the function goes up from left to right. Decreases on an open interval along the x-axis if the graph of the function goes down from left to right. That is more, we'll discuss more later.